afternoon. I would like to welcome everyone to the 2022 PLCC signing day. First of all, I'd like to congratulate every student sitting here for your accomplishments at PLCC. Your class has endured a very interesting 2 years, to say the least. Through mandates, shutdowns, and quarantines, you continued to do what you needed to do when things were out of your control. So for that, I applaud you all. With that being said, you have taught yourself to be resilient and to move forward when life doesn't always go according to plan. Today, we celebrate you and your extraordinary experiences along your next move forward with a ceremonial signing of our board. When your name is read, please come forward and stand to be recognized before moving to the signing board. Students, sign your names to indicate if you are going to be employed, enrolled, or enlisted. At this time, if you have automotive, prepare themselves for your please. First up, we have Hope Bilski. Hope is employed at McDonald's at this time. She would like to thank PLCC for her experience. Next, we have Brandon Brown. Brandon will be enrolled at a Toyota dealership where he's going to work with his dad. He would like to thank his mom because she has pushed him to succeed. Brandon. Next, we have Ty Zados, employed at Vanderveer Kia. He would like to thank his parents because they are his mentors. Thanks, Ty. Next, we have Dylan Hall. Dylan is employed at Vanderveer Kia as well. He would like to thank his family and friends. Josh Cameron. He is employed in the automotive industry. He would like to take a moment to thank his entire family for supporting him. Brandon Hine, employed by Nissan. He would also like to thank his family for supporting him. Next, we have Carter Milioto, employed, probably going to stay in Ohio, but is working to achieve more than that. He would like to thank Mr. Turkson, an absolute legend in his mind. Logan Miller, employed. He doesn't know who to thank. Kyle Malika, he's enrolled, also working at Park Ford, and is going to attend Cuyahoga Community College. He would like to thank Mr. Bayless, his uncle, and his mom for supporting him while here at PLCC. Next is Blake Long. He is employed by Clayton Ford. He would like to thank his parents. Blake also has earned the Program Award of Distinction. Next is Brian Montgomery. Brian is employed at Vanderveer Kia. He would like to thank himself for getting this far in life so far. Dakota Osborne, enrolled, Universal Technical Institute. He would like to thank Mr. Bayless for helping me get off the right direction and get advanced in my future for school. Houston Randall, employed, leaving his mind open to opportunities, will prefer to work in a dealership or a high-end performance shop. He would like to thank his dad, Mr. Bayless. His dad inspired him for his passion of cars. Ms. Bayless taught him everything he needed to know to diagnose and work on vehicles. Jordan Williams, enrolled, will be attending Stark State. He would like to thank Mr. Bayless and his mom and dad for their support. Let's give Automotive a round of applause. First off, we have Luke Luziak. He's enrolled either Vaughn Wallace or Tiffin. It's his choice. I believe since his choice, Tiffin is the answer to that. He would like to thank his mom because he wouldn't be where he is today without her. His dad because he has sacrificed a lot for me to make sure that he had what he needed. Luke. Sarah Evans, employed, undecided at this moment. She would like to thank her parents and always supporting her ideas in life. Cameron King, employed, Fastenal, running forklift. He would like to thank his dad, Scott King, and mother, Dick. Matt McNeil, enrolled at Welding Excavating. He would like to thank PLCC for his experience. Aaron Schrock, employed, working with the union. He would like to thank Mr. Irwin. Carl Shreve. Carl is enrolled at Akron University. Maurice Sullivan. Maurice is employed and working with the union. He would also like to thank Mr. Irwin for supporting him during his experience. Ethan Swart, enrolled, American Winds Aviation and Liberty University. He would like to take this time to thank his mom and his grandparents. Let's give Building Trades a round of applause. We can have electrical next. First off, for electrical, Fernando Aguirre. He is employed at First Energy as a lineman. He would like to thank his teachers and for the opportunity to be involved in sports. Blake Baker, employed, post-secondary plan is to continue his knowledge and advance in electric. He would like to thank all of his teachers that pushed him to do great. David Boggs. David Boggs is employed in the electrical industry. He would like to thank his mother. Tristan Booth. Tristan is employed, plans to work with A&R Electric, where he's working now. He would like to thank his dad for giving him the opportunities to work with him. Natalie Kane. Natalie is enrolled at the University of Akron. She would like to take this moment to thank her grandfather. Dalton Conley, enrolled, will be schooling at JATC. He would like to thank his dad because he's always pushing him to do the best in everything that he does. Gavin Donahue is employed in the electrical field. He would like to thank Mr. Patton because he was a good teacher of electric. Reese Hardman. Reese will be employed in the electrical field. He would like to take the opportunity to thank his great grandma because she taught me a lot. Brandon Howald, employed and getting into the union to become a union electrician, would like to thank his parents for everything they have done. Aiden Hutchinson. Aiden is employed in the electrical field. He would like to thank his mom. She's worked harder than anyone I know to make money for her family. Zane Miller. Zane is employed at A&R. He would like to thank Bill Foltz because he is the best foreman he could ask to work. Tommy Nichols. Tommy is currently employed and is looking to join the Ohio State Trooper Academy. He would like to thank his mother and father, along with many friends and family, for giving him the opportunity to get where he is today. A. Calsay. Enrolled going into Stark State for the lineman program. Angelo Stembridge. Angelo is employed in the electrical industry. He would like to thank both of his electrical teachers, Mr. Patton and Mr. Burton. Ricky Stillwagon. Ricky is employed in the electrical industry and would like to thank PLCC for his experience. Billy Wright. Billy is employed in the electrical industry. He would like to thank his father for teaching him how to be responsible. Michael Yeater. Michael is employed at A&R Electric. He would like to thank Mr. Burton and Mr. Patton for helping him get on placement and his parents for support to us. We could give electrical a round of applause. The IRMA program. First off, we have Jaden Ulrich, enrolled at the University of Akron. He would like to thank his parents for helping along his path. Brendan Baldwin, enrolled at the Pittsburgh Institute of Aeronautics. I'd like to thank Mr. Russell for putting up with him all year. Miss Russell for putting up all year. Brennan Bennett. Brennan is employed by the family business. He would like to thank PLCC for his experience. Abigail Zerwinick. Abigail is enrolled at Kent State University. I'd like to thank everyone at PLCC. It has been an amazing experience. Everyone I have met from the first day, from everyone I've met the first day to going to Skills USA, where I am now. Gail. Kevin Dahl. Enrolled at Akron University. I'd like to thank Mom and Dad for raising me, my sister for being my friend, and my girlfriend for her support. Lucy Dubé. Enrolled at Mount Union. I'd like to thank my mom for all she's done to make senior year easier for me. Lucy has also earned the Program Award of Distinction. Dustin Dressen, enrolled Kent State University for Architecture and Environmental Design. I'd like to thank my parents and 2 sisters for supporting me all these years. Michael Jacobs. Michael is employed. He would like to thank his family and long-lost friends who helped me realize that I should believe in myself from the very beginning. Ariana Johnson. Ariana is enrolled at Kent State University. I'd like to thank the best friend for always being there to make every day better with willingness to listen and humor. Jairo Martinez Lazoya, employed, family business. He would like to thank all of his family. Owen Miller, enrolled, Akron University. I'd like to take the opportunity to thank Mrs. Moore. Audrey Pickering. Audrey is planning to become employed and would like to thank PLCC for her experience. PK Prasanna, enrolled Liberty University and American Winds. Would like to thank my parents for having the patience to deal with my mistakes, make me understand my mistakes, and help me learn from my mistakes. Brandon Scudo. Brandon will be enrolled at Kent State University. I'd like to thank his teachers and parents for inspiring me and helping me along the way. Andy Simpson. Andy is undecided where to be employed at this moment, but would like to thank his mom and dad for always pushing him to do better. Noah Stevenson. Enrolled PIA, would like to thank Luke. Ken Tracy. Ken will be enlisted in the United States Air Force and would like to thank everyone for helping me along the way so that I can be successful in my future. Connor Woke. Connor will be enrolled at the University of Akron. Would like to thank my dad for saving me. Give a round of applause for the IRMA program. We can have the fire academy. First up, I'd like to announce Stephen Cockerham, enrolled. Goal to get hired. Would like to thank his instructor, Jeff Pierpont. He is a good guy. Bryce Fast, be enrolled at Stark State. Would like to thank family and friends for helping push me to do my best. Lane Gruber. Lane will be enrolled at Stark State. Would like to thank PLCC for the experience. Owen Hoagland. Owen intends to be employed. I would like to thank Mr. Caster from the past and both from the present, from his experiences in fire. Bryden Johnson, working to become employed, hopefully on a fire department in the state. I'd like to thank his parents, stepmom, and all the fire instructors. Everyone in his life should be thanked because they all helped me grow through the way. Peyton Kevin. Peyton will be enrolled at the University of Cincinnati. I would like to thank my parents. They have helped me become successful. Jeffrey Coates. Enlisted, going to the military, and then after plans to attend the police academy. I would like to thank my mom, dad, sister, grandparents, and everyone else along the way. Zach Payne. Zach also will be enlisted and will be going to training for the National Guard in 6 months. I would like to thank Mr. Caster for showing me what I could accomplish even when I did not believe in myself for achieving my goals. Zach also earns the Program Award of Distinction. Give our Fire Academy a round of applause. Come forward. Darren Zhang. Darren will be enlisted in the military. We'd like to thank teachers and classmates who have helped him out a lot this school year. Jacob Kiefer tends to be employed as an independent. I'd like to thank PLCC for helping him along the way. Dylan LeBeau, employed at Bonsky Heating and Cooling. Would like to thank his family for being supportive his whole life. Judah Lowe, employed at Standard Plumbing and Heating. Would like to thank my parents during the most difficult of times. They still supported me and kept me in line. Judah also receives the Program Award of Distinction. Adolfo Urdalis. Adolfo will be enlisted in the Coast Guard. I would like to take this opportunity to thank my mom and my dad. We could give HVAC a round of applause. Deanna Bickley plans to be enrolled at Kent State. I would like to take this opportunity to thank Mr. Dunleavy and the Springfield teachers, and most of all, my mother. Mason Donahue. Mason is employed at Buckeye. I'd like to thank Mrs. Condo, first grade teacher, who inspired me and always wanted to thank her. Also, Mr. Dunleavy, he helped me through the tough times during school and really made a difference in my life. Elena Koshaw, employed, going to work for East Manufacturing. I would like to thank my mom for helping me get up in the mornings so I'm able to get to school and also get through the hard times school is pulling me down. Can we give plumbing a round of applause? Welding, if I could have you make your way forward. Nicholas L. Bry plans to become employed, not sure where yet, but would like to thank his friends and family because they are always there for him when he needs them. Yona Coburn, employed, undecided at this moment as well. I want to thank all my parents for always supporting me and having my back in any situation. I would also like to thank my closest friends for helping me through the last couple of years. John Halwinko, employed. He would like to thank all of my friends and family for being supportive and loving all the years of my life, helping me develop into the person I am today. Gunnar Leary. Gunnar plans to be employed in the welding industry somewhere. I would like to take this opportunity to thank all of his teachers. Matthew Manley. Matthew will be enlisted in the United States Army and would like to thank his friends and family for his experience. Joshua Mars Jones, employed in the welding industry. I would like to thank Mr. Capus for all the knowledge and discipline that he has passed on these years. Jacob McLean. Jacob plans to be employed in the welding industry and would like to thank PLCC for his experience. Cody Mellinger, enrolled, University of Akron Mechanical Engineering. I'd like to thank Mr. Capus for helping me truly enjoy the welding path and ability to work the skill to a high capability. Also, I'd like to thank my parents for always helping me when I needed it and to support me. Finally, I'd like to thank my grandpa who had got me into being such a hands-on worker and didn't mind getting a little greasy. Cody also earns the Program Award of Distinction. Dominic Rogers. Dominic plans to be employed in the welding industry. I would like to thank PLCC for his experience. We can give welding a round of applause. We have a few more areas that we're going to cover here. I'll be brief. But each year, Portage Lakes Career Center recognizes outstanding career and technical students for displaying strength in the program, academic pursuits, strong character, as well as leadership and involvement in CTE student activities. There are 2 students selected from each school, and in some years, students who are others or from other schools are selected as well. At this time, if I could have Lucy Dubé come forward. Was Bryce Leslie here? Okay. At this time, could Yuda Lowe come forward, please? Also earning outstanding character and technical And finally, in today's part 1 of our signing day, Isaac Snyder. Isaac here today. All right, let's give one more round of applause. We also have some guests with us today who are representing the George Garwin Scholarship. We have 3 recipients, and these scholarships are awarded inside of the IRMA program. I'll read briefly George Garwin was a teacher at Forest Lakes Career Center from 1979 to 2011. This scholarship honors his endless commitment and compassion towards each student that walked into his classroom. The goal of this scholarship is to continue George's commitment by supporting students who intend to pursue an engineering-related career that will have the sense of spirit, work ethic, loving and caring ways, and his lifelong desire to continue to mentor others. Scholarships for the George Garwin Scholarship recipients are Connor Wokady, Lucy DeBay, and Jeremy Weekman. I just want to take opportunity, as we're all here together, you guys. I just want to take the opportunity to wish everyone in here the best of luck. And I meant it when I said it at the beginning. You guys have been through some school experiences that not many, if any, people can say. And it has taught me to be resilient. And I'm proud of all of you. I expect nothing but, the stars, all of you. I know you'll be successful. Good luck and congratulations to everyone. All right, at this time, you can be released.
Hang on.